The main use of calcium carbide slag ball press. Calcium carbide slag ball pressing machine is according to the type of material divided out of the equipment model. Mainly used to press difficult-to-form powder materials, its main calcium carbide slag material powder, stone ash slag materials, and other processing. The pressing effect is very obvious, the effect is good, and can obtain higher economic benefits. It is characterized by large forming pressure, adjustable revolution of the main engine, and screw feeding device. Widely used in calcium carbide slag, stone ash slag, calcium carbide iron powder, electric furnace slag, aluminum ash, iron powder, coking coal, aluminum powder and other powder, waste slag pressing and forming work. The production line of calcium carbide slag ball pressing machine produced by our factory is cost-saving, simple operation, clear structure, and easy maintenance.